Don't use someone else's children. The father.
Oh, what a sweetheart. He gives it to the little girls. Need some more? Oh, shit. She got some, Kayla. Okay. Here, there's some over here. A couple more. Here, take a couple. And give them to some of the kids over here. Here, Kayla, take a couple. And give them to some of the kids over here on this side.
Bring him down now.
All right, guys, come on. Jojo, Joey, come on. Come on, Kay, hurry up. Come on, Jojo. We got plenty more.
How come you're not here?